The DOUX did that, okay? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, listen, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. All right guys, I am back with another review demo, okay? I picked up something new, all right? I've been seeing this on the TikTok. I've been seeing it on the YouTube, so I'm here. I want to try it out. It is the DOUX Mousse, okay? So we're going in with the DOUX Mousse. I've heard great things about this, okay? This is a one styler product, so we are doing a mousse only wash and go today. I've done a mousse only wash and go before on my hair. I've tried the MIELLE pomegranate honey styling mousse. I think I did a demo on that. If I have the video link, I'll be sure to link that down below or put it up here in the cards or in the screen so you can check that out. So yeah, we're going in with a mousse only wash and go, okay, on my type 4 hair. This particular product, I heard it's good, y'all, so we're gonna see. All right, so let's just jump right into it. All right guys, so I've sectioned my hair as always. I work in sections when I'm styling my hair. My hair has been completely washed and conditioned. There is no product on my hair. One of the things that I noticed about this mousse, it says don't add any oils, don't add any creams, don't add anything. Okay, this is a true one styler product. Okay, so my hair is clean, so we're just gonna jump right in with the mousse. My hair did dry a little bit after I washed it, so I'm just gonna re-saturate my hair with water, because we know a good wash and go, it has to be soaking wet. So I'm going in with the TD Curl Cousin Mist bottle. I will link the Curl Cousin kit down below if you're interested. So I'm just fully saturating my hair, making sure it is wet. And making sure my hair is detangled, okay? So now that my hair has been saturated, give it a little bit more. This is the DOUX Mousse. So I'm gonna take a generous amount of that. It smells good, it smells delicious. Okay, and what I hear is that this product is almost a good detangler too. So I already see the curls popping. I haven't even added that much. I know when I've done mousse only wash and goes before, it gave me very fluffy results. So we will see how this is going to work out. So I'm gonna take a little bit more and focus it on my ends and just raking, smoothing and raking, guys. That's what I'm gonna do with my wash and go today, smoothing and raking. All right, so this is what is. Okay, all right, okay, DOUX. I'm heavy-handed, y'all, so I'm gonna put some focusing on my ends. It's definitely giving me a lot of definition. Okay, I'm gonna saturate the other sections of my hair. Like most of the time when I do a wash and go, I like to work in smaller sections to make sure all of my curls are getting that product. So what was that? 5 pumps? 5 pumps. Y'all know I'm heavy-handed. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm heavy-handed. I can't help myself. It's just, it is what it is. Yeah. making sure I get my ends too, y'all, like from the roots down, making sure all of my hair get that product. This is the first section. I already see a lot of definition. Look at that. Okay, do. I'm gonna repeat this process on the other parts of my hair. Okay guys, so I am on the last sections of my hair. Still saturating my hair with water. Making sure my hair is like drenching wet. My detangling brush, just a smidge. And this is the detangling brush from the TD Curl Cuts and Curl Kit. I'll link that down below if you're interested. So just detangling my hair a little bit. Still working in sections at the front of my hair. So the front of my hair kind of gets extra poofy. So I'm gonna be applying a generous amount of this mousse, like to the roots a little bit. Cause I just feel like this product is gonna give me a lot of volume, which I don't mind. But applying a generous amount to the roots of my hair so it can get that definition as well. And applying this stuff, y'all, I've been using a lot of it because it just feels like it's not being applied to my hair, but so far so good. It is very light. It is very lightweight. Like, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like on my hair. Like I said, applying a lot of that product to my roots, y'all. Making sure all of my tresses are covered down to my ends. Just using a raking motion with my fingers, smoothing some and then raking. So, and I did that same technique all over my hair. Especially at the top, I'm just going to be applying a lot of this mousse, okay? A lot. I hope I don't regret using so much. It is all done. I've finished applying all of the mousse, and this is what it is looking like. Okay. I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer and I will probably diffuse some of my hair as well, and then I'll come back to show you the results. Okay guys, these are the results from me sitting under the dryer. Look, the definition. Okay, listen. The definition is like, oh my goodness. This is the back. The definition is amazing. I did sit under the dryer, so my hair is not all the way dry. I'm gonna go in with my dryer and my diffuser to stretch and shape my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final results and share my final thoughts. Okay guys, I am back with the final results. Listen, I ain't gonna hold you. The DOUX is doing the DOUX. Okay, look at these results. Look at this definition. I'm surprised, y'all. I'm shook. I promise you, I thought this was about to be a whole epic fail. My hair is loving the dew. I mean, look at it. The definition is popping. I did stretch my hair and shape it like I normally do. If you want to see how I normally stretch my hair and shape my wash and go, I'll leave that video below or up in the cards here, but that's basically the process that I do when I'm shaping my hair when I do a wash and go. But baby, I'm loving this, okay? I am so loving the DOUX Mousse, and I am so glad I followed the directions. I did hear horror stories about this, and it's partly because people have been using other products in addition to this. This right here is a standalone product. You don't need anything unless you just want to. But one no-no that I hear about this product, no oils. Please don't add oils to your hair when you're using this mousse. So what I did, of course, I made sure my hair was clean. I used a clarifying shampoo and then made sure my hair was thoroughly conditioned and detangled. And I believe that that's partly part of this success, okay, for the DOUX success, because baby, and this is this first day hair. Like, I'm loving the volume of it. This don't be happening all the time. This just doesn't happen. I am adding the DOUX to my product stash for my wash and go. I am just loving it. One thing though, I did use a lot. I ain't gonna hold you. I was heavy-handed because my hair is dense. I wanted my hair to get all of that product. So I separated my hair carefully and added that mousse, definitely applying it to the roots of my hair, and I'm just loving how it is looking. Oh my God, baby, the DOUX did it, okay? So overall, I'm happy with this product. I'm happy, okay? I'm using it again, okay? Like I said, I was heavy-handed. I used a lot of product. I do have a lot left. Like, there's a lot in this bottle, and a little goes a long way. I could probably do 2 more wash and goes for my hair and still be heavy-handed with this. I picked this up from Target. I think the price point was like $12.99 if I'm not mistaken. I'll link some options down below, but I picked this up from Target. The DOUX, they have other products in their line that I am kind of intrigued that I'm going to be trying in addition to this one, but the DOUX is a winner. Get into it, y'all. I'm late to the party. Why nobody telling me? But the DOUX did that, okay? All right, guys, so the results are in and they popping. That definition, baby. It's no lie. First day hair. I ain't gonna hold you, okay? Get into it. I am so happy I tried this product. I was hesitant, I'm not gonna lie, because I heard so many horror stories, but I was like, hey, what do I have to lose but a bad hair day? I mean, I've had many of those, but I'm just glad today ain't today. Baby, well, I tried this product again. Like I said, this product is going to be something I'm putting into my stash, okay? This mousse will be in heavy rotation for my wash and go. One thing that I did notice about the mousse wash and go, like I said, because it is a mousse, it is really, really light. So I knew I was going to get fluffy results. I was just hesitant in terms of whether or not if I was going to get defined results, but I'm happy with the definition. Another thing too, I set under the dryer to set my curls. What I did notice is that the drying time for the mousse is like cut in half. Because the mousse is so light, it does not take a long time to dry your hair. So that is a plus. That's a win. A win is a win. Okay, we love that. If we want to save time, I'm into it. So overall, guys, I love this product, okay? I will be using it again. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. Guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.